Jones. I'm back again with episode 7 of our math video learning series. So today I'm going to be talking about the relationship between fractions and decimals. So one of the main differences between fractions and decimals, which will become more obvious as this video progresses, is fractions can have any denominator, which is part of the reason that different industries will use decimals as their standard, because fractions, if you're dealing with fractions of various sizes, it can make things pretty difficult to compare. So all of these are fine fractions, they're all allowed. You can have a denominator of 7,543, but it makes it pretty hard to compare fractions when they're in that form. So decimals are a more standard way of representing information. When we're using decimals, what we're really doing is sort of changing our fraction to one that either has a denominator of 10 or 100. In grade 6 and on, you'll learn about thousands. So we're sort of standardizing our representations by turning them into decimals. So I'm going to pause the video. We talked about this today, but try and figure out what fractions these representations or these visuals can represent. So when you take a look at these visuals, the one on the left can either be represented as 6/10 in a fraction or 6/10 written as a decimal. The one on the right could be 60/100ths written as a fraction or 60/100ths written as a decimal, and these are actually totally equivalent. The only difference is each of these base 10 tens, or tenths in this case, has been divided into 10, making them hundredths. So fractions can be converted to a decimal using division. We've talked about this previously. So we know that this line can mean out of, as in 20 out of 25, but it can also represent division. So when we actually go through with that expression, 20 divided by 25, we get 0.8, or 8/10. Decimal numbers are equivalent as fractions with denominators of 10 or 100. It's right in the name. So for example, 1/10 and 1/10 share a name, 100th and 100th share a name. So they're exactly the same, which is why we can convert from fractions to decimals to more easily compare numbers. All right, that's it. I know that was a short one today. I'm going to follow up with another shorter video, sort of providing some feedback with the different representations we came up with in our class activity today. But for today, that's just some information to reinforce today's lesson. All right, have a great weekend.